there are conditions for two shapes to be what? Similar. There are conditions that need to be met for two shapes to be what? Similar, right? The first condition is that the length of the corresponding sides, that the angles, first of all, the angles of the corresponding sides must be what? The same.
The same.
The angles of corresponding sides must be what? The same. Angle of corresponding sides must be the same. So that is one of the conditions for two shapes to be said to be what? Similar. For instance, if I have something like this.
Baby, bring for me my book.
What shape is this?
Nah.
This is a triangle. Then I have the size of the triangle to be this way. So you see that this is triangle, let's say A, B, C. And this is triangle D, E, F. Triangle ABC and triangle D, E, F. You see that triangle AB, this angle A and angle D here, they are what? Equal. They just have one mark. They also have what? One mark, right? So I have A is equal to what? D. Angle A. So you need to state that is what? An angle. Angle A is equal to what? Angle D. So like this. Angle A and angle what? B. They are equal. And then angle B is equal to what? Angle E. And as well, angle C is equal to angle F. So in that case, or in that scenario, we say that these two angles are what? Similar. The two triangles are what? Similar. Ratio of corresponding sides must be what? Now look at these two triangles, right? They are triangles. If I'm looking at these two triangles, we say that the ratio of the corresponding sides must be what? The same. This side corresponds with this root side. AB corresponds with what? Thank you, DE, right? AB and what? DE, they are what? Corresponding sides, because they appear at the same side of the triangle. This is the longest side of this triangle. This is also the longest side of this particular what? Triangle. Are we together? Yeah. This is triangle ABC. For triangle ABC. Okay. This is how we represent triangle ABC. Because I got EBC. Triangle what? DEF. Triangle DEF. So triangle ABC and triangle what? DEF. So for triangle ABC, triangle.
What do you start for?
Triangle. Just a small triangle, just draw. It shows triangle. So for triangle ABC, AB correct. So we have a DE, right? DE all over what? AB, right? That's the bigger triangle. The bigger triangle all over the smaller what? Triangle. Okay, so we have AC. We have DF, right? DF all over AC, right?
So this is my class.
It's not your class. So it's equal to what? EF, right?
I'm not ready with it from just like
all over what? BC. Thank you. So it means that DE is what? 18, right?
18.
18 all over
8.
AB is what? 12.
12.
To be equal to DF is what?
D.
12.
12.
All over AC is what? 8. Equal to
8 over 10.
DF is what? 15. All over what? 10. Right?
Yes.
How do you get a 15 and 10?
This is 15.
Okay.
EF is 15. BC is what? 10.
10.
Okay. So what can divide 18 and 12? 2. 2 going to 18 is what? 9. 2 going to 12 is what?
6.
6. Okay. 2 going to 12 is what? 6. And 2 going to 8 is what? 4. Okay. 2 going to, okay, can 2 go? No. 5 going to 15 is what? 3. And 5 going to 10 is what? 2. 3 going to 9 is what? 3. And 3 going to 6 is what? 2. 2 going to 6 is what? 3. And 2 going to 4 is what? 2. Then we have 3 all over what? 2. See, their ratios are what? The same. Their ratios are what? The same. That for two shapes to be similar, the first thing is what?
Find the corner.
So the angles must be what?
Equal.
Equal, right? So here is what? 109 degree. Here is also what?
9.
109 degree. But remember, you must take note of what is that 109 degree. So if here is 109 degree, here should be what?
22.
Because this is 49 connecting with what? AC, right? Is 6 cm. This one is BC, is what? 109 degree. I want to get it now. So what are we going to do? What's going to help us? Of course, A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. What's the reason? Sum of angles in a what? Triangle. This is a triangle. If I add all the angles together in a triangle, I'm going to get what? 180 degree. So this is sum of angles in a triangle. So angle A, from this triangle, angle A was given as what? 49 degree. So I have 49 degree plus angle B was given as what? We don't know what it is, right? Angle B plus angle C was given as what? 109 degree. So everything should be equal to what? 180. Are we together now? So now to get angle B, 49 plus 109 should give me what? 9 plus 9 is 18, right? It's carrying 1. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Bring down what? 1. So 158 degree plus angle B is equal to what? 180 degree. What am I going to do now? My B should be equal to 180 minus what? 158. And that will be what? That should be what? 22, 10. 2, right? 7 minus 5 is 2 as well. 22 what? Degree. That means here is 22 degree. Are we together now? And then here should be what? 22 and what? 49. Very good. Here should be 49 degree as well. So now, remember we said that the corresponding sides, are what? The ratio of the corresponding sides are what? Equal, right? That means this AB, what is the corresponding side in this other triangle?
PR.
PR. AB. 49 degree, 22 degree, right? PR. 22 degree, 49 degree, correct. So we have AB all over what? PR, right? Those two are corresponding. Should be equal to what? We take another one. This is 22. And this is a This is 22 degree and what? 109 degree. So I'll look for 22 degree and 109. That is what? PQ, right?
Yes.
PQ. Remember, it must be the same. So we take the bigger one first, right? So in the bigger one. For this bigger one, we have PR over AB. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Then we have PQ over what? PQ, 22 degree and 109. 22 degree and 109. We don't know what it is. So we can call it what? Y. PQ over what? BEC. And then the final one is what? AAC. AAC. All over what?
QR.
Hmm?
QR.
QR. Thank you. QR. Okay. So PR is what? PR is what? 25. All over
15.
AB is what?
15.
15. Should be equal to. Remember, you have to find what? BC. So I can take these guys together. So we have PQ is what?
20.
PQ is 20. All over BC is what?
Y.
BC is Y. We don't know what BC is. Right? So what do I do now? If I cross multiply, I'll get what? 25Y is equal to 20 times what? 15. So to get Y, what do I do? Divide it by 25. Divide it also by what? 25. Are we together now? This 25 cancels 25. My Y now should be what? 5 here is 5. 5 here is what? 3. 5 here is 1. 5 here is what? 4. So I'm going to have 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 is what? 12. So this side, Y is equal to what? BC, right? Equal to 12 CF. So the next one we're looking for is what? RQ or QR. Same thing, right? Remember, we have this and this already given to us. So I'm going to have PR over what? AB equal to AC all over what? QR or RQ. So what do I have now? My PR is what? 25 all over what? 15 equal to what? AC 6. AC is what? 6 all over
X.
QR is X. You don't know what QR is. You can call it what? X. So what am I going to have? Cross multiply. You have 25x is equal to what? 6 times 15. So divided by 25, divided also by what?
25.
So this kills this. My x now will be what? 5 here is 5. 5 here is what? 3. So 6 times 3 is what? 18. All over what? 5. 5 going to 18, how many will you have?
3.
3. Remainder what?
2.
Remainder 2. Is it 2 or 3?
3.
All over what?
5.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
We have angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to what? 180 degrees. So we now have angle x as what? We don't know. Plus angle y is what? 3. Angle z is what? 37. Equal to what? 180. So x plus x. 3 plus 37. 3 plus 37 is what? 90. Equal to what? 180. So what are we going to do now? X is 180 minus what? 90. Which is what? 90 degrees. That means here is what? 90. And here is as well 90. So what I'm going to do, pick them now. How do you pick them? Where are the corresponding sides? Remember, say ratio of the corresponding sides is what? Equal, right? So the corresponding sides is going to be what? X, Y, and what? Remember 90 and 53. This is 90 and what? 53. That means XY over what? BC, right? XY over BC is equal to what? Will be equal to what? This is a YZ. YZ 53, 37. 53, 37. We don't know here. You can call here what? X. Now. So we have YZ over what? Over what? AB. Now. Equal to, what do we have again? XZ, right?
I don't trust you.
XZ over what? 9037. 9037 over what? AC. Is that what you did? XY over BC equal to YZ over AB.
I did XY over AC and XC over BC.
So XY over BC. Basically because this is XY 9053, right? I will take note of the angles. 9053. This is 9053 BC. Is it clear now? So XY is what? 25, have you?
Yes.
All over BC is what?
9.
This is 9. Equal to YZ is what?
25.
YZ 25. XY is what?
15.
15. So YZ is what? 25. AB is what?
X.
Yes, you don't know what it is. So you can actually find this guy now by doing what? Cross multiply. So 15x is equal to what? 25 times 9. So what do we do now? Divide it by 15. Divide it by what? 15. 15 kills 15 here. My x now is what? 5 go here is what? 3. 5 go here is what? 5. 5 going to 3 is what? 1. 5 going to 9? 3. So I have 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is what?
50.
So AB, which is x, is equal to what? 50 cm. So how do I find the other guy? The other guy is what? XZ. I have XZ over what? AC, right? Good. So I can connect as well. XY all over what? BC equal to XZ over what? AC. So XY is what? 15 over 9 equal to XZ is what? Y over AC is what? 12. Can cross multiply, we'll have 9y, now,
Yes.
equal to 15 times 12. So divide here by 9, divide here as well by what? 9. 9 kills 9. 3 go here is what? 3. 3 go here is what?
4.
4. 3 go here is what? 1. 3 go here is what? 5. So I have 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is what? 20 cm. So I have AB as what? 15 cm and all that XZ now
Yeah.
as what?
20
20 cm. Is it clear? Okay. Angle Y, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to what? 180 degree. Angle X is what? 60. Plus angle Y is what? 79. Plus angle Z equal to 180 degree. So you have 60 plus 79 is what? 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 6 is what? 13. Plus Z equal to what? 180 degree. So what are we going to do? My Z now is equal to 180 minus what? 139. So 10 minus 9 is what? 1, right? What is many here? 7. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. So that means this part is what? 41 degree. And this part is what? 60 degree. Okay. So remember, I will always trace it based on the what? On the angles, right? You always see the angles, so it will be easier for you to trace the similar parts. So xy over what? 60 and 79. 60 and 79. Can you hear x? Name here what? Y. Xy over what? HK, right? Is equal to
ZY. Z.
YZ, Abi?
Yes.
YZ over 79 and 41. 79 and 41 over what? GK equal to what? XZ, right?
Yes.
XZ. Hey, stop that noise. Going to stop. XZ over
GH.
G
H.
GH. Okay. That means my XY. My XY is what?
6.
6. All over. HK is what? X, Abi?
Yes.
Equal to YZ. YZ is what? 8, Abi?
Yes.
GK is what? 10, Abi?
Yes.
So what do I do now? Cross multiply. I will have 8x equal to 6 times 10. Abi now? Divide here by 8. Divide here as well by what? 8. This 8 cancels this 8. My x now will be equal to what? 2 years what? 4. 2 years 3. 2 years 2. 2 years what? 5. 3 times 5 is what? 15. All over what? 2. Which is 7 1 over 2 cm.
Meters.
Hmm?
Meters.
Okay, meters. Thank you. Thank you. Very correct. Meters. 7 1 over 2 meters. So the final part, that is for what?
DH.
For GH. What am I going to have?
8.
Remember, we had a complete YZ over GK, right?
Yes.
Equal to XZ over GH. So YZ is what?
8.
8. GK is what? 10. XZ is what?
9.
XZ is 9. GH is what? Y.
Yes.
Cross multiply, you get what? 8y is equal to 9 times 10. So from here, I'm going to have what? My y is equal to 90 over what? 8. 90 over 8 will give me what? 11 whole number. That's 88, right? 89, 90. That's 2 over what? 4. You can reduce it. Abi now?
Yes.
You have what? 11 whole number, 1 over 4 meters.
Keep believing you can win.